Good morning, children. Welcome to today's class. Till yesterday, I was teaching you history second chapter, and previously I already explained geography 2 chapters and notes as that also I have provided as PDF, and hope you all have written in your copy and learning. So today I am going to start very first chapter of civics, and that is country and state. Country, everyone know country. And which country we are residing? Yes, we are residing in India. And which state? That is our Chhattisgarh. We are residing in Chhattisgarh. So actually, I want to say something about country. Actually, what a country and state is. Country can be defined as a nation with its own government occupying a particular territory. Either you can say a country is land that is controlled by a single government. It means if you want to say about country in one sentence, then you can say that a country is land that is controlled by a single government. And about the state, state is defined as a territory with its own government and borders within a larger country. So both having little bit difference. So what difference are there? Later I will let you know. So come to the chapter. India is a large country. It has many states and surrounded by several other countries also. So in this chapter we are going to learn about our country India, as well how many states and how many union territory are there. And about the world, if I'm going to tell you that there are 195 countries approx in world today. And as you people know that the 7 continents of the world are North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, Asia, Africa and Australia. And India is in Asian continent. And right now how many states? I think everyone know about that. Right now we are having 28 states and 8 union territories. So look at this map, that the place outside the outline are India's neighboring countries, and that boundary between the Indian other country lines also provided over there. Here you can say that Afghanistan, Pakistan, Uzbekistan, beside the Indian country, whatever countries are there, they all are our neighbor country. Here China is situated there. Nowadays everyone knows about China. Here Sri Lanka is there. Every country have their own currency. In India, we used to call our currency as rupiah. Somewhere, I mean to say that some other country, they used to call the yen, somewhere taka, somewhere dollar, somewhere pound. So every country have their own currency, and the rupiah is a currency of Indonesia also. It is different from the Indian currency. Actually, in India also we used to call rupiah, and Indonesia also they used to call the rupiah only. But it is different from Indian currency. Likewise, every country have their own flag. I think you people have pretty know about Indian flag, that is called a tricolor, जिसको हम तिरंगा भी कहते हैं. So now come to the states of India. As I told you just now that India is a larger country and it is divided into smaller states. And where do you live? Yes, we live in Chhattisgarh. And there are other states also like Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Orissa, Kerala, Rajasthan, Punjab, Assam, Andhra Pradesh. So India has a total number of 28 states. As in this book it is written 7 union territories are there. But there are some certain changes we having now. Now we having 8 union territories. Just now on just in January, February, we have got a new union territory. Before telling about the union territory, I want to say the difference between the country and the state. Country is a large independent nation, while state lies with the territory of a country. Country has its own laws, but the state follow the law of the country. These are the major differences between a country and a state. So come towards the union territory. Union territory, it means Kendra Shasit. It has been governed by the union central government. There are some regions in India which are called the union territory, and the central government governs these region. And actually these are the old names it's given over here. There's some certain changes are there. So what are the main union territory? Let me tell. The union territories are Andaman and Nicobar, Chandigarh, Dadar and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu. Earlier Dadar and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, they both are the separate union territory. But just now it had been merged in a single one. So Dadar and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, combinedly it is called one only. And after Delhi is there, then the newly added, that is Jammu Kashmir, Lakshadweep, Ladakh and the Puducherry. These are the 8 union territories right now in India. So about this all description in the notes section I have already given. Later on I will send you the PDF. In this chapter a small story is here just to grab your attention towards the chapter. It's nothing more essential to read that one, but I can't, no need to explain that one actually. So much better that those who are having textbook, they can go to that either when you will get the question textbook, then you can read that one. It is not that much important to tell you. As India has many states, it means 28 states are there, and every state have their own qualities. It means every state having some certain things which we used to call that particular thing belongs to that particular state. Just like Chhattisgarh, every must know the day, rice bowl, dhan ka katora. Like that, Nagpur is Maharashtra. Nagpur is famous for the santra, oranges. So Punjab, it is known as the seven sister because seven rivers over there. Sorry, 5 rivers are there, so it is called the Punjab. In this chapter, actually, one small story is there that which in that story we can go through all the states, how they have changed and how they used to move here and there, how the people of the story they have gone to another state and what they have seen over there. So just better you can go through the chapter, then you will come to know each and every. India has 28 states and each state have its own regional language. Just like that in Chhattisgarh, our state, the regional language is Chhattisgarhi. Like Andhra Pradesh, the regional language is Telugu. Tamil Nadu, Tamil. Kerala, Kannada. Kerala, Malayali. Karnataka, Kannada. Punjab, Punjabi. Orissa, Odissi. It means each state have its own regional language. It means maximum of people of that particular state, they used to speak in that particular language. That's why it is called as a regional language. And from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, we all are one. We are totally connected with each other. That is called our India. Once again, I want to remind you that the India's neighboring countries are Nepal, Bangladesh, China, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Myanmar, Bhutan and Sri Lanka. These are the main neighboring country. And again, I want to remind you about that India having 28 state and 8 union territory. Just now put that Ladakh as well Jammu Kashmir has been added, and that Dadar Tata Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, earlier it was separated but now it is merged and totally we used to call it a single union territory. So dear children, nothing more is there to read in this chapter. So hope you have understand about the country and state, what is the difference between the country and state. So now I'm going to close this chapter. As well, one thing I want to say you that before writing the notes, first of all you have to write all the states and the capital names in your copy, as well the union territory, and these chapter notes you will be getting in the assignment section as a PDF. Thank you.